Hey, what's going on, everyone? So it's been a little bit since I gave an update on my conversion van. So I kind of got distracted, kind of got just a little burnt out, a little tired of working on it, repetitive things over and over again. It's had a really bad misfire for a while. And man, I've replaced everything from brand new aluminum distributor to points to cap, rotor. I even replaced the whole entire computer. But I don't know if you guys can hear it or not, but this is what we're working with right now. So I just wanted to jump on here, give you guys a little update on this van. This van's got a lot of potential and a lot of good ideas for it. It's just like I don't want to put no money into it until that motor's at 110%. And if you guys watch this video and you guys think you might know what I could possibly do, because I have replaced, everything, every relay, every circuit, every vacuum line, plugs, wires, cap, coil, MSD ignition, everything. You guys know anyone that might be able to help me out and to give me an idea? Let me know. Talk to you guys later.